Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim another day of free Nitro on Discord. So you'll just need to go down here to the Discover tab, then go to the quest section, and there's going to be a claim 1 day of Nitro. You just need to watch the Megan 2.0 trailer to win 1 day of Nitro. It ends on the 10th of April, so so make sure you claim it now. You just need to start video quest, and you just need to play it. You'll need to authorize it first, and then once you've done watching the trailer, you can just select claim reward. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.